In this video, I will show you how to set up the plugin OpenXR in Unity. So here I work with Unity 6, and the goal is to use the MetaQuest 3 in this case. So there is a Meta plugin actually that allow you to use the MetaQuest tools in Unity, but it's limited to Meta. So it means if you want to do an application that work on MetaQuest and other concurrent like Valve, you cannot do it. So this is why I use OpenXR. OpenXR allow you to do your XR work and to export it in many different headsets. So it's became a standard of the industry. And also the other reason is this MetaQuest tool, Meta XR. Not sure that Meta will continue to develop them. So it's another good reason to use OpenXR. So here I will show you step by step how to do it. So again, this is on Unity 6. Next version, perhaps it will change a little bit. So you need to go in the package manager. Okay, so this is where we install all the plugins. You will go in Unity registry, and here you will search for XR interaction toolkit. Okay, so here this is the version 3.0. Yeah, so I will just install it. So you have really to follow step by step this video. If you miss one, not sure it will work. So it's not the most fun part, but you have to do it only one time, and after you can use your project at any time. So here is compiling. Okay, so he asked me to reload. I reload. Okay, so now I will go in the project settings. So here, project settings, and you should see now 2 times XR plugin management. Okay, so here I will click on the first one and I click on install XR plugin management. Okay, so it installs the plugin management. So now the next step is I will select. So here you see now there is only one XR plugin management. So I go here. You have 2 tabs. So one is Windows or PC, and the other is Android. So I will do the same on both. I will here activate the OpenXR plugin. So in this tab, PC, but actually if you use the Quest, so the Quest is an Android device, so you must absolutely activate OpenXR in the Android tab. So here it's normal. There are some problems that he saw, so you will just click on Fix All. Okay, so here there is a message. I will go back on that later. And on Android, I will go back here, Android, and same, I activate OpenXR. Okay, so I click here. There is an error message, so this is the same thing. So here it tells you he cannot fix it. He asks you to do it. At least one interaction profile must be added. Please select which controller you will be testing against in the features menu. So let's do it. So I go to edit, and this is here. Okay, so here I will enable a device. So here I will pick this one, MetaQuest Touch Pro controller profile. Okay, that's all. So now you should be able to use it. What I will do also when I am in Android OpenXR features, I will just activate hands interaction poses. So in case if in the future you use it, the MetaQuest support, and I think should be enough. Perhaps later I will activate more, we will see. So now what we will do, we will go back to the package manager, And here, if you go back in XR Interactive Toolkit, if you closed it, I will show you where to find it. Okay, so now you go to in project. So it will show you all the plugin of the project, and you write XR interaction, and this is here. So what we will do, we will test it. So we will use one of the sample. Okay, and in the sample you have starter asset, and I will import it. So here he tell you he has some problem, so you will just click on fix all. So here using the screen space ambient occlusion, so this one it's okay. It's just a warning. We don't need to fix this issue yet. Now it should be okay. So let me just double check. I go back to project. I check here OpenXR activated. OpenXR, so hand interaction poses, MetaQuest support. This one is super important. Actually, you can also go in the option here, and to optimize it, you can also click here on symmetric projection Vulkan if your project is using Vulkan. Here, I don't need to use a Quest. Quest is a bit old, so I just use Quest 2, Quest Pro, Quest 3. And here, this is also an optimization for Vulkan. This is, you click this one here. If you work Vulkan, of course, on this project. So, next one here, this one, we have to deactivate the screen space ambient occlusion, but that's another probably another video, and this one is fine. Okay, so now it should work. You can try with your headset, and to try it you can go in here, sample XR interaction toolkit 3.0 starter asset, and here you have a demo scene, so you can double click. You will open it, and here you will be able to test some tools of this interaction toolkit. You can climb the ladder, you can climb this wall, and here we have different categories of objects that we can manipulate. So I let you try, and perhaps I will do another video about this interactive system. Okay, so here we have the camera is here. Case. If your headset is connected with the link, MetaLink, you can just click here and you will see it in the headset. Otherwise, you have to create an APK and test it with your headset. So that's all for the setup of OpenXR. Thank you.